Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCI 125PS 330 Trend L2N1. Very nice gearbox issue, nice. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 123,390. MOT, the 9th of July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately it won't select second gear, it still starts and drives perfectly in all other gears, so will need to gearbox repairing or replacing soon. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, air-con, parking sensors. This has an expensive ghost immobiliser system fitted. Starstruck. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, CAT S 2020. Cap retail, £8,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.